yard. Don't know. Oh.
Healthy sandwich you can make, you know, when you're rushing to go work. This is one of them little quick ones you can make. Look at the ingredients. So we have some lettuce there. We have some watercress. We have some hummus. We got, you know, I have my special sea moss mix. Some bread, some whole wheat bread. If you can't find anything, you know, try and do brown bread if you can't. And we have some avocados. I'm just gonna put that together. That's it. It's all done. Nice and healthy. That'll take you for the day. I normally do about 2 of them. And that's all I have for the day. That takes me through the day, man. And you're good to go. Quick thing. No long thing. Just quick whip that up and you're good to go, man. That's it.